Sarah Me with Blue Plate Rendezvous. Today we have Mardi Gras dip featuring Holy Fire's Flambeaux Hot Sauce. Let's get this party started and let the good times roll. Start out with some Conecuh sausage. If you don't have Conecuh sausage where you live, I would definitely move away from Losertown. They make a hot version, but use the original because our spicy element will be in the form of Holy Fire's Flambeaux Hot Sauce. We're going to cut these lengthwise and then cut them lengthwise again. So basically they're going to be like long quarters. And then we're going to cut them across to make bite-sized pieces. Remember, this is a dip and you don't want to choke your guests. Hopefully. Add these to a skillet, put on medium heat. A dry skillet is fine. The sausage is going to render some fat. This process takes about 10 minutes until they get golden. Pull these out of the skillet and put them into a paper towel lined bowl. Leave some of that fat in the skillet because we're going to throw our onions in and saute those. And you want a pretty small dice on these onions. Just saute these until they get a little color, and then we're going to add them to the Conecuh. From here, lower the temp to a medium-low. What would a Cajun dish be without a roux? To get the roux started, add a half a tablespoon of butter to the skillet, and add to that an equal part, so we're going to add half a tablespoon of flour. Don't walk away. You're going to want to stir this constantly. Feel free to watch the wing episode featuring Holy Fire's original hot sauce. That is about the same amount of time it's going to take for this roux to get done. We're just making a light roux. It should look like a latte. For those who don't spend a lot of time in overpriced coffee shops, it should look like a coffee with a lot of creamer. To the roux, add a tablespoon of soy sauce and then a tablespoon of granulated garlic. Don't worry about it looking too thick. We're going to drink some beer. We're going to add some beer. To stick with our Cajun theme, I am going to add a Pita beer. Add a beer that has some flavor. If it says ultra, stay away. Just add about a cup and responsibly dispose of the rest. Now we can add our cheese. This is very important. Do as I say, not as I do. Only add 4 ounces of cream cheese, not this big block that I did. And then add 4 ounces of the white sharp cheddar. Take 5 minutes and shred it yourself. Pre-shredded cheese has a coating on it to keep it from clumping, and you don't want that in your dip. Just gonna stir that in, let that melt. Once we get our cheese melted, add back in the Conecuh and onions. At this point, you want to add in your crawfish. Give them a rough chop because they come whole in the package. This is about half a package or a little over a cup. Get those mixed in and we are ready to add in our spicy element. Holy Fire's Flambeaux Hot Sauce. This is their latest that they have on their lineup. We get the same quality ingredients that we expect from Holy Fire. Ingredients found in a garden, not in a lab. One of the things you'll notice with Holy Fire is that they take the care to select different ingredients to create different flavor profiles. This is the hot sauce that is going to get the party started. I started with a tablespoon, and that was perfect for a mild and slight kick for the dip. I added 2 tablespoons in total. I thought that was a perfect heat cheese balance for my palate. Add a little green to make this Mardi Gras. We're doing that in the form of some green onion. And then select your perfect bite. Serve this with French bread toasted with some butter and a little celery salt. The creamy of the cheese mixed with the sausage and crawfish and then spiced with a little flambeau is the perfect mix for your next shindig or when you're craving something special. Make sure you check out Holy Fire Foods, and I hope you give this recipe a try. And always, thanks for watching.